Good morning, everyone. Fresh arrival, 2025 KZ Sportsman 180 BH. BH is bunkhouse. It does have corner bunks and a bunkhouse. It is prepped for a backup camera. I see it's prepped for a ladder too. No slides on this unit, so it's nice and light. How light? Let me show you. That light. Wow. Most SUVs can pull this trailer. There's your total length. Perfect size. LED lights. Outside speakers. We got cable connection, power connection. So you could actually put a TV out here if you want. Doggy leash latch doubles up as a beer opener. Walk it in. All right, there's a double bed. A dinette that does convert into a bed. Not for an adult though. Storage up top, windows. Here's your AC. Lots of storage. Look at the countertop space. 2-burner stove. Microwave. All right, kids. Awesome corner bunks with cable connections. Furrion fridge, 12 volt. Nice and big. Voila. Back here, we got the bathroom. Ta-da! With a nice shower. Love it. All right, folks, nice and quick. If you like what you see, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment and come on down to 80 Commerce Street in Moncton. Bye for now.